Morning students. So today we are going to discuss about the thermal expansion in gases. So as you know that all the matters solid, whether it is solid, liquid or gas, they expand due to heating. Okay, the gases are also expand due to heating, but since gases do not have a definite shape or size, so that's why gases do not have linear expansion or superficial expansion. Gases only have what? Gases only have cubical expansion. It has only volume. Okay, since it has no definite shape or size, it do not have any linear expansion or superficial expansion. Now gases expand due to heating. So this is the experiment that shows you the gases expand due to heating. So first what you have to do, you have to take a water bottle. So this water bottle is empty means inside the water, inside this bottle what you have gases. Okay, now you have to fit a balloon like this. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to heat this water bottle. Okay, but you cannot hit this water bottle directly, because if you hit this bottle directly it can melt. So we'll take a water container. Okay, then we will heat. Okay, so we'll heat this water. So water actually, so what temperature of water it will increase the, so then the hot water, it will increase the temperature of air. So what you will see that after a few minutes the size of the this balloon, it will increase. Why it will increase? Because when the water will, when the temperature of the water it will increase, this hot water, it will increase the temperature of air. And when the air temperature of air it will increase, so it will expand. So this balloon actually it shows that the actually volume of the air it increases due to heating. It shows that the volume of air actually increases due to heating. Now variation of density with temperature. So due to heating, volume increases. So if volume increases but mass is a constant quantity, mass is an internal property of matter. Okay, mass never changes. So 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 if mass is constant and volume increases, so obviously density will decrease, because density is equals to mass by volume. Okay, so if mass is constant and volume increases, then density will decrease. For example, suppose initially its mass was, okay, so initially suppose its mass was 20 kg and volume was suppose 4 meter cube. So 20 by 4, that means 4 5 are 5 kg per meter cube was initial density. Now suppose due to heating the density volume now increases to 10. For example, now density will be how much? Mass is again constant 20, density increases to, density increases from 4 to now 10 suppose. So 20 by 10 is now equals to 20 kg per meter cube. Okay, so you can see that initial density was how much? 5 kg. Now density is 5 kg per meter cube. Now density is 2 kg per meter cube. So density will decrease due to heating. Why density will decrease due to heating? Because it volume increases due to heating. That's why density decreases due to heating. Okay, and there is one exception, and that is water. And this behavior of water is also called anomalous expansion of water. So actually water contracts on heating. So if you heat water from zero, suppose water temperature of water is 0 degree C. So if you heat water, so density of water it will increase. So from 0 degree C density will increase. So this is the graph, temperature versus density. So from 0 degree C the temperature will increase. 1 degree C you are increasing temperature, density now increases. 2 degree C density increases. 3 degree C density increases. At 4 degree C the density is maximum. Now after 4 degree C or beyond 4 degree C, if you again increase the temperature, then density will decrease. Okay, so this is the graph of water density versus temperature graph. So initially density will increase, but after 4 degree C the water density of water it decreases. So and this behavior is also called anomalous expansion of water. So density of the density of water is maximum at 4 degrees C temperature, and above 4 degrees C temperature density decreases, below 4 degrees temperature density also decreases, correct? And what has maximum density at 4 degrees C, and the maximum density is 1000 at 4 degrees C, density is 4000 kg per meter cube. Now explanation of thermal expansion in gases by molecular motion. So you know that generally the distance between gas molecules are very large. Intermolecular distance between two gas molecules are very large. Now if you again heat these gas molecules, what will happen? So that then its kinetic energy, if you heat again, so its kinetic energy again increases, kinetic energy will increase. So then this gas molecule, it will move again randomly here and there, okay? So again it will move randomly means again again the distance between two gas molecules will increase further, okay? So this gas molecule will go this way, can go, and this one can go this way. So their distance between two gas molecules or intermolecular distance, it will increase. So in the intermolecular distance increases means its volume, it will increase. So this is the expansion of thermal expansion in gases in molecular motion. So thank you.